Assalamu alaikum. I am Salman Khan from the world of IT. In this topic, trainee will learn about how to schedule backup for daily update in Windows Server 2012 or 2. In my previous video, you learned how to create backup in Windows Server 2012 or 2. In today's video, you will learn about how to schedule a backup for a daily update in Windows Server 2012 or 2. In one of my previous video, I already told you about installing Windows Server Backup feature. That is a necessary feature and the first step for creating a backup. Let's get started. Open Server Manager. After installing the Windows Server Backup feature, go to the Tools menu, scroll down, click on Windows Server Backup. Now, the local backup window will be opened. Then on the right hand side, you will find an option for backup schedule. Click on this option to create a schedule for backup. Now a getting started page will be opened where information about the backup schedule will be given. Click on next button to continue. Now on the next page you can select backup configuration that can be either full server or custom. If you select full server, then a backup of the full server will be created, and if you select the custom feature, then you will get an option to select the item for which you want to create a backup. Here I have selected the custom option. After that, click on next. Now you must select the item for which you want to create a backup. For that, first click on add items. As you select the add items, a new window will be opened from which you can select the items. Here I have only selected the system stat. By clicking the OK button, you will see the selected option in the wizard window and click on next. Now you had to specify the backup time for creating a backup either once a day, or if you want to create the backup more than once, then you can select the second option and specify the frequency of the backup. Once a day, time 9 p.m. Click on next. On the next page you must select the destination type. That can be a volume of the computer, hard disk, or any remote folder in the shared network. Here I have selected the second option, which is to create a backup on the volume of the computer. Click on next. On the next page you need to select the destination volume on which you want to create the backup for. First click on the add button and then select the destination volume E and click on OK. Now you will see your selection on the wizard. After that, click on next. Now a confirmation page will be opened that will show you the full configuration of the selection you made. On clicking the finish button, a summary page will be opened that will show the status of your backup. You have successfully created the backup schedule and click on close. Schedule backup. Now how to stop schedule backup? Click on backup schedule and then click on stop backup. Permanently stop the backup schedule. The backup storage disk is released for normal use and the data on the disk is preserved. Click on stop backup, and click on next and click on finish. Are you sure you want to stop the schedule backup? Yes, and click on close. Next backup status not scheduled. Hope you understood these steps how to schedule backup for daily update in Windows Server 2012 or 2 and how to stop schedule backup. Please feel free to leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section.